Start the bid, $59,000.
$59,000.
If you're wondering what all the excitement is about, in the middle of a nationwide real estate collapse, the excitement is about buying real estate. The hottest market for real estate in the country just might be in the auction halls, where repossessed houses and condominiums are selling not in months, but in minutes.
Sold it your way at $250,000 in confirmation. Sold it.
This was Los Angeles on the first day of a 7-day real estate auction that hopscotched through the troubled housing markets of Southern California. Here, the bargain hunters and savvy investors snapped up a couple of hundred homes in just a day.
It's a little bit above what we were intending to, but
it's within the price range
we wanted.
Of what we wanted to get.
Joanna Sanchez and Luis Herrero had the winning bid on property number 21, once valued at $640,000. For just $382,500.
Right now we're in an apartment. This is our first time, or it's our first home.
So, what made you decide to come the auction route?
We had actually seen this house and we were going to make an offer, and then it went into auction, and it made more sense for us to wait.
And as they signed the papers,
I'm bid 160, looking for 70.
The action continued. And it's been happening across the country. Last month, 350 homes went on the block in front of 4,000 people at the Javits Convention Center in New York.
At $65,000 to buy, going once.
Another 80 houses went to auction in San Diego. The auction houses are on track to sell as many as 50,000 homes this year, up from 30,000 last year. And the properties that once sold at hyperinflated prices are finding the bottom of the market. This one, valued at $345,000, auctioned for $202,000. $465,000, the gavel came down at $180,000. $320,000, it went for $105,000. Looking at numbers like that, many buyers were here looking for a steal on a place to live.
I think at these auctions, you're seeing about an 85% of the folks showing up here in an LA auction are going to be end users, mom and pops, first-time buyers. The folks that couldn't buy during the height of the market because the prices are out of their means, renters are becoming owners. And there's about 15% of the folks we have here are investors.
Fantastic. I just need to see an ID, cashier's check for $5,000.
Bidders register at the door. They need a $5,000 cashier's check, enough money in the bank to lay down the earnest money, and the ability to qualify for a loan.
We've actually looked at a couple of homes, both for investment, but I grew up in California and the chance to move back.
So you're looking for a house to live in?
Yes.
Cheryl Shine came with her broker. The market has gone so far south, the brokers are chasing their listings into auction.
So we as the listing agent have been holding it and trying to sell it. It didn't sell. So the bank went ahead and gave it to auction, and we still represent it.
We're looking at one in Oceano.
What was the previous value number?
It was listed on the market as an REO, or bank-owned property, for $299, and the starting bid I think is $79,000.
Who came to buy now? $200,000. Who gave $25,000?
I think the auction process is really the silver lining in this down market because we're turning houses back into homes. The properties that we're auctioning off today were sitting vacant. What we do is now take them and get them back out into the public.
In San Diego, Marty Caden came to the auction with his daughter Heather acting as his real estate broker. He had his eye on this house, once valued at $1.25 million.
And it's 3,800 square feet, brand new. It needs landscaping, so probably about $60,000, $70,000 investment after I purchase it.
$525, subject to confirmation, sold it at $520,000.
He paid less than half the previous value.
This is it's a custom house. It's a unique house. It's really beautiful inside. It's really clean. So I'm excited.
We got a great deal. A lot of these homes are selling for way below what I expected them to sell for. The last time we were at the auction over a year ago, way higher prices they were going for. I'm shocked.
Now 60 here, thank you. Now 70.
In Los Angeles, Cheryl Shine took her shot at that house near the beach.
Now 170. Now
it's a nice area to live, but a half lot's like a 3,500 square foot lot. At 150, I was out. Pretty much, this was the house we came for.
You'll try another auction.
I'll keep coming back till I get one. First house.
It did happen, though, for Joanna and Luis, who visited their new house.
We bid $375, and then someone else came up with $380. So at that point, we knew that whatever offer we gave, it would have to be over our own self-imposed limit.
But obviously it wasn't by so much, so we decided it was a great deal to do it.
Did you quickly talk about it? Or?
No. It was mostly just like looking at each other. Shall we do it? Yes.
Someone else's loss is their good fortune. This house will be a home again.
I'm so excited about decorating.
This is Brian Rooney for Nightline in Los Angeles.